Hey guys, it's Tutu and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. We're here, guys. We're here. We're at the beach. I'm here with my friend Aisana Kunzagandun. Say hey.
Hi, vlog.
Period. But we're here. We're just gonna spend the day, just chilling, taking pictures, maybe swim, just the whole shebang. We're at Clifton. Very nice, very cutesy. Yeah, man.
Okay, we here. Okay.
Get yourself friends that vlog.
Thank you.
Papa kanin. Vlogger. But siyabuya ngoku. Ha? Ngumbuyelo. Straight. Washa. Ngumbuyelo straight. Hey guys, I just finished my workout. My lashes are actually so uneven. It's low-key making me upset, but the hell. Anyway, so I just finished my workout. I did not really film. Why? Let me just. Anyways, I finished my workout. I did not film that much in there. Right? I probably made one video. And I probably won't add that video because I feel like I haven't been to the gym since last year. Since last year, November. And it's January. It's the, 16th? 15th? 16th? It's 16th of January. I haven't been in the gym for a hot minute. Today, I just was on the treadmill and then I was on... What do you call this thing? The Stairmaster. Yeah. So there's not really much planned for today. I'm gonna drop off my dad at the airport, and then I'm gonna shower and get dressed and go to a party with a few friends. And then I'm probably not gonna vlog that though. I'm not gonna vlog that. And then yeah, I don't know, I just felt like I should start vlogging more given the fact that it's 2026 and new beginnings. I feel like I need to there's a man staring at me. I feel like I need to but yeah, guys, like I was saying, I feel like I need to get serious with content and a lot of things in 2026 because I've been saying like, oh, I'm going to get serious this year, and I think this year is finally the year to implement that. I'm waiting for my brother. He's in the gym as well. He's like doing a whole workout. You know how guys are when it comes to the gym. But yeah, I'm frying in this damn car. But yeah, yo, I'll see you guys when I pick up the camera again. Bye.
So was this selfish? I think it's for how long? You understand? But she defended it. She was only the first to
Standing on business every time.
Nganawe noma ungathola munye kodwa ngifuna juze awumamela anginakile ngabona ngiqala ngibona inhliziyo yashaya mahora ayishobela ngabona umshado namalobolo ayololo wabale wathi njobatshela kaye
look so crusty. I even took out my lashes. Ish, what else is going on? Anyway, so I just want to come on here and say, yo, hey, son, anti crusty nyan. Ha! Anyway, don't. It looks so bad. Anyway, but I just wanted to come on here and say that, oh, I want to first mention that some of my clips got deleted. And also sorry for the waits, because I know I didn't post in December like I said I would. But that YouTube is giving me problems. It's still kind of giving me problems. I'm hoping that this video will reload, because I've been trying to upload it. But then it wasn't working, and then after some time, I don't know what happened with my CapCut. I don't know if it was CapCut or I was the problem. I don't know what is going on, but some of my clips are just gone. Like, they just got deleted. They vanished. I don't know where they are. Like, they're just gone. So I was debating whether I should just, just give you guys a video, or like wait for some time. But then I decided not to make you wait, because I feel like this video can be good-ish. It can be okay, because I mixed January and February together. Yeah, also I didn't even say Happy New Year to you guys. Like, Happy New Year. I hope things are going well in this 2026. I hope you guys are enjoying the year. I hope you guys have set goals and all the things that you need to do for this year. Please do follow through with your goals. Don't be like me last year. I set so many goals last year and did not do a single one. But okay, it's whatever. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This video was the most stressful video I've ever edited, vlogged, or tried to whatever. It's the most stressful one I have ever had to deal with. I hope things like this don't continue in the big 2026, even though we're already here. I just hope things get better from here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, and yes, but commentisha Antoni. Oh, comment the that emoji, man. You know when you go scene 1, take 2. Yeah, that emoji. I'm gonna put it down here. I'm gonna put it here. Comment this emoji if you made it this far. Please, yes, do share this video. And I love you. Until next time. Mwah. Bye.